Hey guys, it's Baby Einstein 2005 here. And after we already did the 2002 DVD review, and now we're going to do this. The Ward Animals 2004 DVD review. So here's the front. Baby Einstein Ward Animals. An amazing musical safari of wonderful creatures in natural habits. Dream Monkey. The Walt Disney Company, ages 9 months and up. In the back. If you want to read this, just pause. Yep, it's a 2004 DVD. And the side, Disney DVD, Baby Einstein, Ward Animals, Dream Monkey, 29664. And the disc. The disc and the parent's guide. The disc. But this is actually fine. And the parent's guide. Yep, here's the parent's guide. And as you can see, they use this plane in the Baby Noah's Jane's Animal Expedition from the Baby Noah's bonus features. And Mary Sultana, Brite Bride, they use it in the Neighborhood Animals 2002, late 2002, and 2003 VHS. And I think they use it in 2004, because I heard they used it in 2004. But I don't know if they're using it in 2001 VHS. I don't know. I don't know if they're using the 2001 VHS or the early 2002 VHS, because I don't have those. Sorry, guys. Noah's the Ward Animals. Although I do have the first 6 of them, except for Baby Bach. So that's it for the Ward Animals 2004 DVD review. Since I have the Italian DVD of this, I'll do an Italian DVD review. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out. And of course, giddy up. See you next time. Bye.